All right, guys, welcome back to another technician tip. I have a 13140 hydraulic ram here, and today we're gonna show you a quick tip on how to release your ram. A lot of guys, when they are connecting these, will hand screw them on and hand tighten them. There is two check balls that mate inside that engage to release or extend the unit. When you connect your hose, your coupling, always make sure I got a 30mm box wrench here for our setup, and I got a set of adjustable channel locks. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the screw end and we're going to tighten this way. You're 100% sure that both check balls are engaged at all times, and this way the unit will retract fully and not get stuck in the raised position.